Dini kuma kaunti ya Machakos nimahimbiirie Miario ya wuiguano iria irathii nambere bari na mwihoko ati niiguciara kihonia gia gutura haria mathina maria magomagira muingi wa bururi na atongoria aya ni matugiritie itua ria mutongoria wa bururi Daktari William Ruto, mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja Raila Odinga nikiuthondeka kamiti iria iratongoria miario iyo iria ikuguna muingi wa bururi na makiaria na andiki a mohoro makiria marutite mahitia miario ya ica ikuhi ya munini wa mutongoria wa bururi niwe Rigathi Gachagua akiuga ati hatire bata wa miario ino no na mathiite na mbere na guteterithia ni hari bata wa miario gatagati ka mutongoria wa bururi Daktari William Ruto na mutongoria wa kiama kia mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga.
In the name of the Lord,
in
the name of the Lord,
we want to talk about a monster called Wamatangi Foundation. This is a monster because when we were elected, the people of Kiambu elected us to represent them at ward level. But when the governor, Kimani Wamatangi, took over, he brought this amoral kind of government called Wamatangi Foundation. They are undermining MCAs in their wards, and we are calling him to stop and let the MCA do their jobs in their wards. We have seen Governor Kimani Wamatangi working as a one-man show government, that he's the one who decides where, what to be done, where, and each and every department he's hands-on, that even you cannot ask a chief officer, roads, to give you a grader. You have to report to Wamatangi's office. We are saying this is not the way Kiambu should work.
One, we've had an illegality of having chief officers operating without being vetted by this county assembly. Sure. And actually we are challenging the office of the Auditor General to audit this issue. And if need be, people must be surcharged for getting monies illegally, because this house is mandated to vet the chief officers before they are appointed. We also have the small matter of the chief of the CECM roads. As we all know, this house vetted waziris, and 3 of them have resigned. And at an acting capacity, the CEC roads was never vetted by this house. And again, we are inviting the relevant, and we've written to the relevant bodies or arms of government to investigate this matter. And again, if need be, this is an illegality and people must be surcharged.